Hi, in today's video we are going to see hyperlinks. Let me open my workbook and we will be learning how we can create hyperlinks, how we can edit hyperlinks and how we can delete the hyperlink. What is the hyperlink is? It will give a facility to just click on that one link will be there, any text or any image, any chart, if we can refer to that, and we will just click on that link and it will jump to it will navigate us to that source. Okay, it will be very easy to jumping and going to any file. Say for example, if you want to I'll link for, I can type any text. Okay, link for sheet 2. Okay, so let me open new workbook so it will be easy for us. I'll click on here. I have 3 sheets are there. In sheet 1, what I'll do is I'll go link for sheet 3. Now I will select to insert a hyperlink. I will select this cell and I right click on this. At the bottom you will be having one option called link. One option, this one. Another option is we can select this cell, we can go on to insert. Again here we will be having at the right top corner we will be having one option called link. We have to just click on this. So this is the insert hyperlink. Insert hyperlink dialog box is there, where we can see what we want. So we want existing file or web page, any file already you having and wanted to go with that. So that is not this workbook, it can be any type of file. In our case, places in this document. So what are the document this workbook is there? I want to go to the in that sheet. So I want to go to the sheet 3. I click on here and in the reference type of the reference where you want to, by default it will be A1, but if in the case I want to go to the any specific sheet, right, and that time what we can do, we can click. Say for example I want to go to A10, then I will click on here. I will select sheet 3 and click OK. If you observe, I am getting one that kind of icon is getting changed and it is asking. If I click, it will go there. You just see it has jumped to the A3 and cell number 18. So again I will show you. If I am clicking here, click once, follow that, it will go there. Okay, so now if I want to edit this cell, so wherever I am going, I am clicking single time, it going there, right? It is not on. So simple thing, we can click on F2 and we will be able to edit if you want to edit some text over there. And this is the how we can insert our any link. So for example, I will again enter link for sheet 2 here and let it be here. If you want any very formal way, we can have here, right, one by one, and we can click here. It will ask further. I'll go in the second method now. I right click link. I got the same dialog box where it says insert hyperlink, and here it will ask for the places in this workbook. So in this workbook, what are the places? I'll select sheet 2 and click OK. If you observe, the link, the text color got changed, and once I click that, it going to the A sheet. So this time I did not provide any kind of specific cell reference, so it going on the A1. As of now, we were able to see, if you observe, we were able to see 3 sheets are available here. In the case, I am putting one more sheet here and putting as a name. I will rename as Daksh. And now if you see, if I again go and right click on here, edit hyperlink, and if you see, I have one more in this places in this document we have one more sheet got added. So whatever the sheets are available in this sheet, it will be we can view here, and we can select based on our. So this time I am selecting Daksh, and I am going to put as 100. So if I click on that, and another one thing is that it is optional, but display screen tip here. So if anyone trying to move the cursor, right, so it will give some help for them. So you can type any, by default it will be name of the, like what are the you have, what are the text you have entered, that it will be default, it will be displaying. But in the case you want to change it, you can very well go ahead and change. So this time I will put link. I will put Daksh. Okay, you can put anything, whatever you want, and I'll click on okay. So now it changed to the Daksh. If I click here, it will go to the A10, right? This is what we were expecting. Now this is the how we can insert hyperlink. Next thing is that what are the things like we can on any of the text if written, we can do that. Any images, if you want to have, if you have insert any images, you can do that one. If you have any image on that, charts, pivot tables, anywhere, wherever you want, if anything is displayed here on those objects, you can provide the hyperlink. Only one rule is there: one document, one link. In this, only one link you can enter. You cannot have multiple links on the same, right? So how I can edit hyperlinks? So once I insert the hyperlink, say for example, if I am on here, if I don't have any hyperlink, I'm right clicking on this. If you see, I am getting link only. One option is called link. Now if I click here, and already link, like already hyperlink is available on that cell, so that is, it's saying hyperlink. That icon got, like name got changed as linked edit hyperlink, open hyperlink, and remove hyperlink. So if you want to click on that and open hyperlink, if I click, it will take to the me that what are the reference I have given it, that place it will take. If I click on edit, so this is the way we can edit. So whatever the things I want, say for example, this time I want to select a C1. Okay, so I'll put C1, it got selected, and again that seat I wanted, so I can whatever the place I want to, say for example in seat 1 itself I want to select. So I click seat 1 and click here. Once I'll back and I click here, you are seeing, you just see that the cursor moving to the C1. Okay, this is how we can edit hyperlink. Next, how we can delete the hyperlink? It's a very simple. Either I can go to the remove hyperlink once I select that cell, or else I will go on the edit hyperlink, and there we will be having remove hyperlink. Once I click it, the link will get removed. So this is the way we can create hyperlink, edit hyperlink, and delete hyperlink. Now I'll see, so far we have seen hyperlinks on the text, right? Now we will see the hyperlink on the images and some chart. Okay, so I should be having one image here, so let me insert and some images. Okay, picture shapes, I will click on shapes. Okay, I'll use this one. Okay, smiley, and now I'll select this one. I click on right, again I got the same option as a link here. I'm clicking, either I can click from here, or else I can go to the insert, and there I can insert link. Now same option, I want to go, I will go at the sheet 1. At this time I will type N7 on the same sheet, right? Sheet 1 that I'm inserting the image, and the sheet 1 itself. You can choose any kind of anywhere based on your choice. so not a problem. Click OK. If I'll out now, if I see book 4 tips, screen tip is getting, and sheet 1 is given, name is given, and then N7. If I click on here, the cursor is moving to the N. You just see that it going there, right? So this is the how we can insert into the image. Now I want to remove, I can right click on this and can click on the remove link. So this is the how you can remove. Next we will see charts. So let me put Monday. I'll type 7 days. I will create one table so that I can get a chart, right? And then here I will put as days. Anything we can put. Not a problem. Okay. Now if I select that one. On charts we will be having separate sessions, but just so this is the one chart we got. Now we want hyperlink on this chart. What we can do is click on this, same way assign link. Where is that? We have to be in, it should not be editing mode, because right clicking, I'm clicking here and just see if this link is available here. I'm just moving little bit here. Okay, click on this. I'm keep selecting. This time if I click right click, no, because of chart formatting is there, that link is not available here, but we can do in the different way. I will go to the insert and then here link is there. I'll click, I'll got the same places in this workbook, and then I will click on the Dutch and I will go, say for example D10 D10 sheet, click on there. I'll come out, and now if you see it got hyperlink here, clicked. Now it is going on D10 cell, right? So hope you have understand that. Now we have seen images, right, and then charts and test. Let me go there. Yeah, so we have seen how to create a hyperlink on the test, image and chart. Now we will see that link to current document. This one is already we have covered. This one is already we covered, like how we can create a link on the same document. Now next is another file. Another file, it can be if you have any Excel file or anything, right, you want to open, you can open. So let me click on this and link. In this existing file, if I want to open this one workbook, if I click OK, if you observe, as soon as I click here, book 3 will be open. If you observe, book 3 got open here. I will close this one. So book 3 is getting open. I'm closing here. Again I will show you some other, any file, let it be any file. Okay, if it is like, if you want to type any website also, you can web browser pages recently, like current folder where the my file is there, it is showing. If you want to search any other file in some location, right, we can browse that file and we can say that urgent file. If I'll open this one, and hope this is not password protected, that file. Okay, so it getting open. Now this is the our like Excel file we have opened. We can open any other file, we can open any other file as well, like notepad, paint or anything, let it be. We can open, right click, edit hyperlink, and here it shows that browsed pages. So if you have browsed something recently, you can, like, doesn't matter if you have search, we are doing, right, recent searches where we are recent pages we are going, or any website we are going, in that we can check that. Now I'll show you how we can link. This is about the files, right? We can open it like example file. If I want to open, we can open it. If I click here, it will get open, right? The file is getting open. But in the case I want click and get open any website, right? So again, what we'll do, I'll click on this. Here we have a different folder, link to any website. Click on this, click on link, and then what we have to do is we have to provide the address. Okay, so we have to click existing file or web page, click on that. If you want current folder or something is there, we don't have to worry about it as of now. What we have to do, we have to directly provide what is the website. So I will go to that. I'll put google.com here so that I can get the exact website link, and now I'll go to here and paste it. Now if I click OK, see what happens. I'm clicking here and Google that browser got open. Whatever the default browser you having, it will get open, and that website is getting clicked. Say for example I type Microsoft okay, I have opened Microsoft website. Okay, I'm clicking here, I'm copying here, and I close this, and this time I will edit hyperlink and paste that website link here. Click OK. If I'm clicking this one, just see that page is getting open. So this is the how we can link to the any website. We can use open any kind of file, notepad and PowerPoint. So I have already shown you. Say for example I want to insert any link to the file, that not Excel sheet, other than the file. Say for example I have notepad, I click here and I link that and click here. So if you see notepad high, this example, okay, when I closing, right, it is asking for save as how the our notepad, normal notepad will be asking, it is asking. And now if you again open that, and we can see the how this example. So whatever we edited and save, it got saved. We can send to the it can be used for sending an email. So in here we can also club email addresses. Okay, email addresses. What will be happen is the email will be once you click on that, our Outlook will be open. Outlook, if setup is done in your system, Outlook will be open, and at that time you can send it. So test to display, it will be in the subject. Email address, sorry, it will be display on the mail body. This is for the sorry, it will be display for the screen tip only. Email addresses, where we have to put the email addresses where we want to say, for example I want to send that tutorial. I'm just putting one example, it is not valid. Contact dakshitutorial@gmail.com, and subject test message. Okay, now recently use, okay, this will be recently whatever if you use something, and click here OK. If I click on this link, what will be happen is it will prompt me to Outlook. I have now, as of now I have not set up any Outlook, but it will prompt me to set up Outlook, and from there, once if in your system it is already setup is already done, you are able to send the email, right? straightforward, it will open one new email for you, and it will put the email address there and the subject line. So hope you understand this, how we can send the email as well through the link. So there is a lot of much more we can explore it by ourselves. It is not that much hard. So we have existing file, or pages, something is on available, we can add it. Places in this document, whatever we have currently open, it will show the all the places. Wherever we want, we can jump. This one is we will be discussing, and emails we have sent. Now create a new document. So means this one, first option is for the existing, any document already created, already it in your system, you can use that. But in the case you want something new, so what you have to do, you have to provide a link, like name of that new document. What is the name you want? So say for example, I want example 2. Example 1 already is there, so I'll put example 2 dot txt. I want to open one test file, so dot txt, and the edit new document later and edit document now. So if you click edit document now, what will be happen is, immediately as soon as you click OK, the one notepad file will be blank, notepad file will be open. So let's see. No procedure for creating a files or this type of register with the cell. Do you want to create empty file? Yes. So it is asking, it is not already defined, but if you want to create empty file, you can create. So I said yes, and it got open here. Now we can enter that what are the test or something like hide these notes entered during live session of hyperlink. Okay, and now I'll save this one. I close this one and save it. The file got saved because now name is already given, it not asked for the name. If I click again, if you see, that file will get open, and here the whatever the test I have written is available. So if something we want to modify or add something further, we can add it, and once you click, it will ask for the saving. Close that one. Again next time when you open, then it will be get open again. And creating a new file, it can be anything, like say for example, you can create a new Excel file, you can create new Word file, PowerPoint, and whatever the file type you want to create, you can create it and you can use accordingly. So hope you have understand. In this video we covered how to create a hyperlink, new hyperlink, how we can edit it, how we can delete, and hyperlink can be used on the whatever the value we can see here on the test, like cells, right? We can say for example test images, charts. So we have seen this example. Then what are the type of links, like what are the type of sources we can provide to our link, right? So first one, link to the current document. Any places we want to go on the current document, we can go there. If we wanted to go to another file, that also we can do that. Then any website we want to open, we can open it. We can open Notepad, PowerPoint, any type of file we can open from the using the link. And we can create also a new file. If file is not existing, we can create it. And then we have seen that how we can send the emails through the links. Hope you have understand. If you have any clarification or something you wanted to cover on next video, just let us know on the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.